Welcome to Young Mathematician World. Don't skip the video, watch till the end. Welcome to Young Mathematician World. In this session, we are going to learn pair of linear equations in two variables, grade 10, R. Sharma question. A man travels 370 km partly by train and partly by car. If he covers 250 km by train and rest by car, then 370 minus 250 is 120. He covered 120 km by car. It took 4 hours. But if he travels 130 km by train and rest by car, it takes 80 minutes longer. 80 minutes, 18 minutes longer. Find the speed of the train and that of the car. So first let the speed of the train be x kilometer per hour. Solution, let the speed of the train be x kilometer per hour and that of the speed of the car be y kilometer per hour. Here two cases are there. We'll take case 1 first. Case 1, we should find the speed. We have to find the speed. Then we know that speed equal to distance by time. Find the speed only they have given, right? So we know that speed equal to distance by time. But in this question here given total time. Okay, it takes in 4 hours. The total journey time is given. So what we can take time equal to distance by speed. Total time taken equal to distance by speed we can take. So case first part, time taken by the man to travel 250 kilometer by train. By train equal to 250 is distance and by speed we need to find x, 250 by x hours. The same way, time taken by man to travel, what is the rest we have here? 370 minus 250 is 120, right? 120 kilometer by car, 120 kilometer by car equal to 120 by y hours. First, here total distance is 370 km and he covers 250 km by train. So time taken to travel 250 km by train equal to time equal to distance by speed. Distance is 250 km by speed. We have taken the speed of train is x. So x 250 by x. Next remaining is 370 minus 250 is 120. 120 km by car, then 120 by speed of car is y kilometer y. So 120 by y hours. Next total time taken is given. So total time takes is 4 hours. So we can write 250 by x plus 120 by y equal to 4. Equation 1. Equation 1. Next, second, case 2. Case 2, he travel 130 km by train. Then 130 by x plus remaining rest by car, then 370 minus 130 is 240. 240 by y equal to, it takes 18 minutes longer. 18 minutes longer. Then minutes you convert into hour. Minutes convert into hour divided by 60. 6 table, 3 6 are 18 and 10. So 4 hour, 4 3 by 10. 4 already covered 4 hour. They said here 18 minutes longer. So 4 3 by 10 hours. 4 3 by 10 hours. Next, mixing fraction convert into improper. 130 by x plus 240 by y. 40 plus 3 43. 43 by 10. Equation 2. So let's solve equation 1 and 2. In equation 1 and 2, listen carefully here. In equation 1 and 2, here value we have 240, here 120. So if you multiply by 2 in equation 1, here we will get numerator 240, then here also value in numerator 240, then we can cancel y. No need to go UV method. Let's listen carefully. Equation 1 multiple by 2, which implies 250 into 2 is 500. 500 by x plus 240 by y equal to 8. And next, same, okay, don't change anything in equation 2. 130 by x plus 240 by y equal to 43 by 10. Now we can subtract the equation. Change the sign. 240 by y and minus 240 by y get cancelled, and 500, check the denominator same. So 500 minus 130. 500 minus 130 is 370. 370 by x equal 8 minus 43 by 10. 43 by 10. 8 by 1. 8 by 1 minus 43 by 10. Now 370 by x equal, take LCM. LCM is 10. So 10 into 8, 80. 80 minus 43 by 10. 370 by x equal 37 by 10. Reciprocal the given value. If you reciprocal, then you will get x by 370 equal 10 by 37. X 370 by x change, x by 370 and 10 by 37. Next, x equal 10 by 37, divide 370, change into multiple 370 by 1. 37 get cancelled one time, then 100. 10 into 10, 100. X value is therefore x equal to 100. X value is 100. So x value 100, we can substitute either equation 1 or 2. Either equation 1 or 2. Listen carefully, either equation 1 or 2. If substitute equation 2, it's little easy compared to equation 1. Here we have 130. Here 250 we can divide by 100. 25 times we can divide. So therefore x equal to 100 in equation 1. Equation 1, first numerator we have 250. 250 by x value, we can substitute 100 plus 120 by y equal to 4. Either you can divide by 25 table, or here 0 can cancel. Next 5 table, 5 5s are 25 and 2 5s are 10. Next we have 120 by y equal to 4. Next 120 by y equal 4 by 1 plus 5 by 2 transfer to minus 5 by 2. 120 by y equal, take LCM, 4 into 2 8, 8 minus 5 by 2. Then as usual you can reciprocal and transfer the value. Y by 120 equal 2 by 3. Then y equal to 2 by 3 into 120 by 1. 3 we get cancel, 4 times 40, 40 into 2 80. Therefore y equal to 80. Y equal to 80. Then therefore speed of train, hence speed of train 100 km per hour and speed of car 80 km per hour. Hence speed of the train equal to 100 km per hour and speed of the car equal 80 km per hour. Thanks for watching till the end. Like the video, subscribe the channel, click the bell icon and share it to your friends. Thank you so much.